Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Kids, today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. Sky blue color, white color, dark green color, light pink color, black color, yellow color. Exactly, the next one is, yes, brown color. Now we open the color of silver color. The next one is blue color, dark pink color. Kids, the next one is light green color, purple color, orange color. The last one is red color. First we are using the color of silver, writing the alphabet of exactly A. The next one is B. Stay with us. C, D, E, F, G. Now we're using the color of blue color exactly. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Now we're using the color of dark pink color. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Now we're using the color of light pink color exactly. V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you so much for watching.